everyone, welcome to Sri-NilachalKitchen. Have you ever been made this recipe? It is one of the most popular traditional Indian recipes, especially prepared during the Raj festival as Poda Pitha. Let's make this delicious recipe. First of all, I would like to tell you that I am going to make this recipe with semolina. For 250 grams of semolina, I will take half a liter of water in the pan. After this, take half the amount of jaggery as semolina. Here I have taken about 150 grams of semolina. After mixing jaggery in water, add chopped ginger, cardamom and black pepper pieces. Here we have made two types of coconut cuttings, one big and the other small. We'll put small ones now and we'll use bigger ones later. Some bay leaves will be chopped and mixed in the same manner. It will enhance the taste. Add half teaspoon of salt. Here we have taken about 50 grams of wheat flour along with 250 grams of semolina. Add semolina and flour slowly and knead slowly with a spatula from the other side. After taking the semolina and wheat flour mixture off the stove, we'll begin the main process. For this, I have taken an earthen clay pot and greased the inside of the pot with a clarified butter. Now we took this sal leaf, we will use it in this. You can use banana leaf instead of it. Pay attention here that I am keeping so many leaves thick at the bottom because this way my Poda Pitha will not get burnt. Now apply some clarified butter on it. Never forget this process, friends. This is very important. Now we will transfer the semolina and wheat flour mixture into the earthen pot. Press and pack the mixture firmly with your hands like this. By doing so, no gaps will remain and the pitha will turn out very well. It is quite hot, friends, so I am doing this slowly and carefully. Now we will arrange the coconut pieces that we cut into large chunks on top of the batter. This will look beautiful and will also be very delicious to eat. We will place a small vessel mortar on top so that the steam inside does not come out due to the white and the pita gets cooked properly.